This is my second attempt at cooking a calzone in the Ooni Volt 12. My calzone, right down the middle. Ooh. Check it out, because each time I cook, I learn some tips and share them with you, so let's do it. And this time I have forked the edge of the calzone just to make sure it doesn't spill out onto my stone. So make sure this is all ready. Let's put this in. My calzone, that worked. It didn't come out compared to my first cook, shown here. There was all around it. Where to start? Right down the middle. Oh. Crunchy calzone. I've got a cave, like an air bubble cave. I think I finally got this, even though I've made another learning error. I should have definitely put a hole in the top. It's very hot. Oh, look at the base. That's cooked really... Oh, that's the base again. And somebody suggested when I was cooking the Koda 16 version of a calzone, which I'll show here, they suggested, quite rightly actually, that you can turn it over halfway through the cook. And that would have weighed down my calzone. Instead of me having to put holes in it, I could have just turned it upside down. And I should have done that here. So next time I will. It's just all these things I got to remember. And this is my second one in the electric oven. So there's a few things, a few good tips for calzone. One, that's nice. One, seal the edges. Two, if you seal the edges, hole in the top. And if that doesn't work, tip it upside down so it flattens it, which I haven't done yet. Let's cut this up. Yeah, I saw on the internet that they were recommending putting egg on the top to give it colour. I'm not going to do that. I think I've got enough colour here. It's looking better. Very good. Give that a try. Very nice. This is really nice. I love calzones. They're so easy to make in an electric oven at 250 degrees Celsius. It's easier than I found it cooking in the Koda 16, but I am testing all my ovens with calzones. Temp number 2 in an electric oven with sealed edges, but should have let the air out, but it's still cooked really nicely. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.